Hey guys, we are day 2 of our DIY project for the gazebo, which is coming along very nice. So I'll just give you a little update here. So this is what it looks like. So you get a layout of what we're trying to do. Since the last update you had seen from day 1, we had grass. So it was basically, I had dug basically about maybe 1/4 of a portion of the grass, and then I continued the rest from here, and then that's why you see a little patch here. But I just wanted to give you guys a little update on day 2 of this project, on how it's coming, and I will definitely keep you posted for more updates. Stay tuned. So as you can see, this is the update of from day 2 of digging up all the dirt and grass, as you can see right behind me here. But that will be taken care of whenever that will be gone, and but then the next step eventually will be is to basically get some dirt to fill in some areas, and then some like crushed stone, like to put as a support for the patio slabs that will go right on top, and then it'll be the time to assemble the gazebo, which I will definitely keep you guys posted. Keep you guys up to date for sure. Stay tuned. We almost got one set up and running.
Yeah, almost got one chair.
One chair. We got another one that we got to put together. Stay tuned. So this is what the chairs look like that we just finished building together. They're a nice wooden texture too, which we really like. Get a little side glance. Some nice cushions. We found we did some research and found that we loved them. So when they come with these, well, this is for the other set, like the couch part, and it comes with these nice texture pillows. We've got another one. So yeah, I just thought I'd give you an idea of what they look like and keep you posted for whenever we put the actual couch set together. Stay tuned. I think you're recording.
I am, yes.
Howdy folks. Well, we're just building the table here. I'll let my love explain what I'm doing.
I don't really know what you want me to say.
Just say I'm connecting to putting the table set for the patio together.
Okay.
By using 2 wrenches to...
Using 2 wrenches to tighten the nut and the bolt.
The nut and the bolt. Gorgeous, beautiful day.
It is.
Okay, you can stop now. Okay. Perfect. You can stop now. And there you have it, folks. This is what the setup looks like. We got a nice little stand here. We got some chairs. We got a nice centerpiece table. Looks like this, as you can't really see with the sun, but well, there you may get a better glance there. You can lift it up by this side. It's like a nice little storage bin. Kind of reminds me of like an actual like pirate bin, how the color and the lines and whatnot, like a barrel. But we can store like our pillows or whatnot. And then our couch. So it's coming together very good. The next update will be is just updating when we build the gazebo. So stay tuned for that. So this is what it looks like so far.
Yeah, this goes in here. It's a good thing he's cute, right, Julie? Oh, no, I don't think so.
So just an update, this is what the gazebo looks like. We just added the arches here on both sides, all the way across, all the way around the four corners. It's looking really good. We'll keep you posted for more.
To anchor in the base.
We've added these pieces here in each corner.
So just, do you know where you might want this?
Come and hold on, sorry, I'm just documenting. So here's an update on what the gazebo looks like, part of the DIY project. I'm sorry I haven't been filming it much because we have been assembling it. And my parents and my brother were here, and myself, we were just installing it. But as you can see from the last part, we installed the roof here, and then there was the paneling that we put up, or the shields, which my brother and my family did. And then there's pictures to show you, we'll add that. And then we attached these brackets, and we got this side on good, the brackets, as you can see, sorry, underneath here, but we're at that stage right now. But we'll keep you posted once we continue the project. Stay tuned. Hey guys, just wanted to give you an update on our DIY project, the gazebo. So I'll just flip the camera around so you can kind of see what we've done. We did more today. My dad and brother came over. Stay tuned. So we've been having some issues with this corner here. So if I come, I'll just show you guys on this side. So we have this bracket here, which moves, but I'm not gonna move it, but it's just there for now. We were having issues having it screwed right into this hole. So we're trying to fix that. We did that today, but then we started getting the roof, so the plate's up. So it's coming. It's coming along great. We even had to reposition the roof because The gazebo did seem uneven. It wasn't level at some points, especially with this V piece here. That goes all the way down to there. And then we were able to continue on this side with this piece. And then here as well. And then here on this side. Another thing I forgot to share is my brother added with my dad these strip pieces here. It's hard to see, but it's right from here and it goes all the way across the gazebo. So it's like basically like similar to like where water can drip down, or if it rains and come down, instead of it inside, it can come straight down so it wouldn't be dripping, kind of thing. So I just wanted to add that as well, because that was another thing that we did today. Another thing I wanted to share is that I did with my parents, I extended this section because we talked about having it expand a little bit to make it equal with the gazebo when it comes into place. So I basically dug a foot on this side and a foot on that side to make the gazebo fit perfect, and then added the weed protection below as well. I also added, after the digging and leveling, the weed protection below on this side and on this side. Oh yeah, there we go.
Look at the guy in his gazebo. Master of the elements.
We did it!
We did it! Just in time!